I will be penning a letter to Minister Hill, and I will be advocating for the immediate suspension of copper exports under the scrap metal industry. I have no fear in saying that, despite the fact that we are about to go into Christmas season, based on what has been presented here and the unequivocal evidence of the link between the both, is impatient of action and impatient of stemming this situation. Based on our conversation this morning, and I am confident that he too will have his ministry revised and come to a position that can be announced in short order. But I believe strongly that that will send a very strong signal in relation to what we saw visually that took place this morning, which is reprehensible and unacceptable. And we will find solutions. We will use government apparatus, government security forces, with private security forces, and all the technology that we can use in relation to stemming this. And I say without fear of contradiction, just like how there are a few hundred people, criminals holding this country to ransom, there is not more than a handful of persons who are carrying out and orchestrating these crimes. Thankfully, one of them was held this morning. The Telecommunications Act is being revised, and of course we will go to the maximum fines that are allowed in the parish court. I feel strongly that we have to take a look at this and see how we can encompass this, as we also are looking at the Cyber Crimes Act. And you have my commitment as Minister, Digicel, Flow, and all the other telecom providers that are facing this challenge, and others, JPS, whoever, that this is something that will be center for my ministry come January morning.